In this video, I will show you how to check your computer hard drive's health all version of Windows easily. See, I have 3 hard drive installed in computer. I check this hard drive health. Search Crystal Disk Info. Link below in description. Install the software. See, all hard drive condition good. First hard drive 59% good, other 2 drive 100% healthy. If any yellow dot coming, it means your hard drive condition not good. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.